Hi CJ, I'm going to do a fresh install of the app to see if I experience any of the problems that you're reporting. As you can see, I removed the app completely from my phone, so we're just going to test it out from the App Store just like a user would. The only difference is I am going to enter this promo code, in order to get the app for free. Okay, so here we go. Urban Anime, you've successfully redeemed your code. Your app is now installing. It's very very large app because of the files that you use, so it may take a minute. Weird. I guess iTunes encountered an error and felt it needed to do a clean install again. I mean, that's not something that is unusual for the App Store. That sometimes happens. Okay, great. It's finished downloading. I'm going to tap Open. Push notifications. Okay. So I tap this. I can message it to someone, but I think your issue was with the keyboard itself. So let's check that out. Alright. So obviously it's not in here yet. We have to add it. So I'm going to go to Settings, General, Keyboard, and all this is shown in those tutorial videos that we recorded and linked to inside the app. Add new keyboard, Urban Anime, tap on Urban Anime again, allow full access, allow. Okay. Now messages, Urban Anime, and there we go. We have the the stickers right there, accessible for use. How did I end up sharing the exact same one again? There we go. Okay, So next, I think you wanted to test out Snapchat. Jeez, my phone is just given up, I think. Really looking forward to the next, to iPhone 8, which will be coming out soon. Okay, so inside Snapchat, this is really the functionality that I think you should expect with Snapchat. Guess I'll just text her. Obviously, there's no photo found, so you can, you can do what I showed you earlier to load photos in Snapchat, but I think you're aware that that's already possible. So I think what you wanted to be able to do was to take a photo and then add a picture to it, which I guess could be done through text and then going to Urban Anime, and then you tap on something and then double tap and paste it. So yeah, it does load in here, and as you are pointing out, it comes in fairly large, and that is basically how it's going to be, because you remember that we went back and forth. I think I just erased it because I accidentally pressed the back button. The reason it's coming in large is just, it's literally a function of how Snapchat works, right? Apparently Snapchat, when it comes to text, they they load these style of stickers very large, so I could go into some other app as well, and we're also going to have very large ones. Let's try this. Okay, so there's a small one. I'm assuming that's sort of what you're looking for. But even here, when I tap out of it, I don't know. I don't think Snapchat was really designed to be used in this way. So my question is, can you use some other professional emoji app in Snapchat in the way that you're trying to use this app? Because it seems to me Snapchat just isn't really designed to be used this way. I mean, yeah, so I recorded this video because you told me that the keyboard wasn't working, and I don't really see that that's the case. As you can see, I just did a clean install of this app. So I would recommend, if you're concerned about the keyboard, follow those same steps that I did. Delete the app from your phone. Maybe turn off the device completely, then turn the device back on. Then go to the App Store and install the app. I'll send you a promo code so you can install it for free. And then, follow those steps to install the emoji keyboard. And then after it is installed, as far as Snapchat is concerned, try, find another app and then try using the emoji in it. And I don't think Snapchat allows it, honestly, because it seems to me that it automatically deletes anything except probably the Apple emojis. Apple emojis are built into the operating system, but these custom keyboards emojis, they're kind of their own special thing. And it doesn't look to me like Apple allows that. There's nothing I can do to change, obviously, what Apple allows. All I can tell you is that, you can certainly text someone by inserting a picture into the photo. And all you have to do is save a picture to your phone when you're using the app, like this. So I tap on one of these, save image, okay. And then I go into Snapchat and I, use that to send it. I can also probably use this feature in here. But I don't know. Snapchat has its own set of limitations. That's just based on the way that Snapchat was coded. If you're concerned that we didn't do something correctly, just test some other emoji apps that you see that are popular on the App Store and see if the functionality that you have in mind works in those apps. And if it doesn't, then that's just how Snapchat is. All right.